Welcome to the StarProperty Quick Guides, where we introduce you to the functions on StarProperty Connect and get you up to speed. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to post a listing on StarProperty. Firstly, log into your account on connect.starproperty.my to access your account dashboard. Next, click on Post Ad on the left menu tab and fill up all the necessary details. Do take note that the location of your listing cannot be changed once the listing has been posted, so choose carefully. After all the details are filled in, click Save and go to Step 2. Choose a listing package from 4 options: Basic, Standard, Premium, and Deluxe. Once you have made your choice, click Save and go to Step 3. Bulk upload is possible up to 10 photos at a time. You can drag and drop your photos or click on Select Files from Computer to upload your photos. Once you are done, click Save and go to Step 4. Sort your photos after uploading. Simply drag and drop into the sequence you prefer to showcase your property in the best light. Next, click Save and go to Step 5. Select the best photo for your cover image. First impressions matter, so choose that perfect image to make your listings stand out from the competition. In addition to that, you can also use blurbs to highlight unique selling points of your listing. With Premium and Deluxe packages, you can select up to 2 blurbs. Once done, click Save and go to Step 6. Finally, preview how your listing will look on the website. Now's the time to do final edits and changes before you post your listing, because listings cannot be edited once published. When you are satisfied with how your listing looks like, click Post this ad, and your listing is now live on StarProperty. If you have found this video to be helpful, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, contact your respective account managers or drop us a message at support.starproperty@thestar.com.my. Thanks for watching.